way to start your day off with a freaking Amish donut, baby. Delicious. Oh.
It's massive. I've only eaten half.
It's a thick boy.
It is, but it's so good.
It is so good. And like I said, perfect way to start off the third day of uCamp. And right now the temperature is nice, but it's supposed to be a hot one today. So we gotta eat our donuts and be prepared. One of the most awesome parts about coming to uCamp, of course, besides the awesome community, which is like the most legit thing in the world, if you have a new camp camper, just the experience of being with other new campers is so awesome. But the coolest part really is being able to go to all these different workshops, hear these speakers, meet people, talk with them to understand, hey, here are some cool ways to do certain things. Here's maybe a new thing that you can try on your camping setup. It is really so awesome, and we learn so much from these. So coming to like these types of rallies, especially uCamp, is so great for us because we're like, hey, that awning over there, that looks perfect. We want that awning too. How have you liked it? And we have a conversation with the person that has it. It's so awesome. uCamp's so cool. All right, we're here. This is the swap meet. There's so many good things for sale. We've got to buy them all to put in our tag. Well, fam, we have had so much fun on day 3 of uCamp. We've met so many amazing people, had some awesome conversations, shared some great stories. We even got to explore Sugar Creek for a bit, and we're making a small adventure video about that. I'll share a few clips now about that little adventure, but to see the whole video, you'll have to be on the lookout in the next week or so. We are now on the way, on a ride to the Amish dinner and to celebrate Mandy and Kendrick getting engaged. Yay, marriage! Yay, marriage! Well, that was super fun. Oh my gosh, that was my first time flying the Mavic Air 2, and that is a nice drone. It goes so fast. Don't get me wrong, my Mavic Mini is lovely, and it's perfect for travel and what we need. Oh, but man, that Air is speedy, takes super high quality stuff. I love it, especially when I can do some new tech stuff that records video, take pictures. It is so fun. So thank you guys for letting me use your drone, and I was technically teaching a class on how to use it, but really I was just having fun and figuring it out myself, so that was a blast. And got some good footage that they can share too of all the campground and that sunset. Oh my gosh, I'll see if I can steal a little footage from them on that front because it is beautiful. But it is closing down about the end of day 3 of uCamp, and it has been a blast. So much fun, so many cool people. A lot of good food with that Amish dinner too. You cannot beat that. But now I'm off to find, yes, the food, yes. And now I'm gonna go try to find my wife, and then we're gonna make some rounds, hang out with some people, have some good time, and close out the night in style. I just took a shower, guys.
Me too.
And it's lovely to feel clean after spending an entire day in like 94 degree heat. I don't know where I am right now.
97 degree heat.
Oh my gosh, it was a hot day, but an awesome day. We did so many cool things. at number 3, day 3 of uCamp. We still got 2 to go, baby. So much fun to be had, so many stories to be shared, so many cool things to see other people that have on their campers and then saying, we want to buy them too. I'm so excited.
We're not excited.
Yes, but again, awesome day of uCamp. So many more to come. So we will see you tomorrow in the morning after a night of sleep where the electricity stays on and we can use the AC. Yeah, baby!
Yeah.
Okay, good night.
Good night.